Okay. Okay, we're live. Okay. So today was a surprising day. I wasn't again, I was gonna stream this day, uh but since this has been updated, it has been updated to a moderate risk for the panhandle of Texas, western Oklahoma, and southwestern Kansas. So this is going to be a particularly dangerous situation, moderate risk, because there's so much HASC's thing. So there's a 15% tornado risk with a hatched area 2 with it. That I'll get to it in a minute. Same as wind. Uh, there's another hatched area, and same as hail, another hatched area. That I'll get to a second. I know there's a tornado watch that has just been issued. This is tornado watch number 522. Tornadoes are high, EF2 plus, tornadoes moderate, severe wind moderate, 65 KT plus wind moderate, severe hail moderate, 2-inch hail moderate. This is not a PDS tornado watch. Several supercells are likely to develop near the Colorado-Kansas border before moving into northeast to east-northeast this evening. All severe hazards are likely, with some which may be significant. Greatest tornado potential appears to be across southwest Kansas. The tornado watch area is approximately along 60 statute miles. I believe that's what it is. I don't know what that word is. East and west of a line from 30 miles west of Libel, Kansas to 40 miles north of Imperial, Nebraska. For a complete description of the watch, see the here's the tornado watch counties. So no severe weather is popping up right now, but it will be in a second. So let's talk about the tornadoes. The hashed areas: Garden City, Kansas; Dodge City, Kansas; Libel, Kansas; Woodward, Oklahoma; Elk City, Oklahoma for the 15%, Garden, Kansas; Dodge City, Kansas; Libel, Kansas; and the 10% is Great Bend, Kansas; what in the world? Awkward, Kansas; Woodward, Oklahoma; Elk City, Oklahoma; Weatherford, Oklahoma; Clinton, Oklahoma. For the 5%, Oklahoma City; Wichita, Kansas; Norman, Oklahoma; Wichita Falls, Texas; Lawton, Oklahoma. For the 2%, San Diego, Texas; Austin, Texas; Tulsa, Oklahoma; Topeka, Kansas; and Killeen, Texas. For the wind, there's a 30% significant hatched area for Dodge City, Kansas; Woodward, Oklahoma; Elk City, Oklahoma; Weatherford, Oklahoma; and Clinton, Oklahoma for the 30%, Wichita, Kansas, and Oklahoma; Salina, Kansas; Hutchinson, Kansas; and Dodge City, Kansas for the 15%, Oklahoma City; Lincoln, Nebraska; Topeka, Kansas; Norman, Oklahoma; Wichita Falls, Texas for the 5%, San Diego, Texas; Dallas, Texas; Austin, Texas; Fort Worth, Texas; and Kansas City, Missouri. And for the hail, there's a hatched area for Dodge City, Kansas; Woodward, Oklahoma; Elk City, Oklahoma; Threadford, Oklahoma; and Clinton, Oklahoma for the 30%, Wichita, Kansas; at Oklahoma; Salina, Kansas; Hutchinson, Kansas; and Dodge City, Kansas for the 15%, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma; Lincoln, Nebraska; Topeka, Kansas; Norman, Oklahoma; and Wichita Falls, Texas for the 5%. For the 5%, San Diego, Texas; Dallas, Texas; Austin, Texas; Fort Worth, Texas; and Kansas City, Missouri. So that is all. I did not know the wind and the hail, Lincoln, Nebraska was in it. So that's at 15%. But the moderate risk is Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and Liberal, Kansas. That's the main area for severe weather and tornadoes. For the enhanced risk, Wichita, Kansas, and Oklahoma, Salina, Kansas, Huntington, Kansas, and Hayes, Kansas. For the slight risk, Oklahoma City, Lincoln, Nebraska, Topeka, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Wichita Falls, Texas. For the marginal risk is San Diego, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, and Kansas City, Missouri. There's so much. Okay, yeah, thank you for. Okay, I think they issued another tornado watch. No, it's been the same. So, this tornado watch is in effect valid until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Tuesday, October 12th, 2021. Several tornadoes likely. Hail, scattered hail up to apple size likely. Scattered wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour likely. Population, 208,841 people. Schools, 242 hospitals, and 37. So again, that's the moderate risk for today. Here's the public information statement that they just issued. Location: Southwest Kansas, Northwest Oklahoma, and the Texas Panhandle, Northeast Texas Panhandle. Hazard: 7 tornadoes, a few intense scattered damaging winds, some hurricane force, scattered large hail, some baseball size. Summary: scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms are expected to begin late this afternoon and peak this evening and continue tonight across the central and southern Great Plains. Several tornadoes, which some may be strong, along destructive hail and wind are possible. Preparedness actions: tornadoes at night can be particularly dangerous because they are usually fast moving and difficult to see. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, weather.gov, or other media for watchers and warnings. A tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornadoes to form in the next for several hours. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, move into a safe place, ideally in a basement or an interior room, the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and avoid windows. If you are outdoors, or in a mobile home, move to the closest, secure area in, like, a strong building. So this is going to be a dangerous situation for, the enhanced risk and moderate risk. The slight risk and the marginal risk, don't really worry about that, because then severe weather is not going to be that very intense in the enhanced risk and the moderate risk. But anything that's out of the moderate risk for 10 to 20 miles, just pretend that you are in the moderate risk. But anything that's out of 10 to 20 miles of the enhanced risk, like what I said on the moderate risk, act like it's an enhanced risk. But if you're beyond 20 miles of something, just act like it's a normal thing. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna plug this into my TV here. Just give me a quick sec. Okay. There we go. Alright. As you can see, there's some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but they're not going to be any severe. Except for out west. Okay, NWS Omaha just sent a tweet. Okay. A line of storms are expected to roll overnight. The line becomes less organized as it moves towards the Missouri River, but the damaging winds could still occur. There is hail threat with these storms that could develop a line of head of the line. Those could pop up by late evening. So it says what a line of storms could be moving through tonight. Then there's like this little red line. Then it says timing between 12 a.m. and 6 a.m. Primary threats: winds could be damaged, trees, power lines, and structures. Secondary, large hail enough to damage vehicles. And as you can tell, as you can hear, my voice is starting to go down. So I can't really speak that loud. If you guys wanted me to speak up, I could probably turn up my volume on my OBS settings. But my voice is just gone today because of the severe weather on Monday and some of Tuesday, but now Wednesday. Well, some on Sunday, some on Monday, and now Tuesday. So again, this is going to be a dangerous situation. So I'll probably have this up like this because I have to go somewhere. So let me pop this up here. Okay, there we go. So I will be back in at least 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Let me pop this right over here. So I'll be right back.